Okay, task 7, student calculator. Student grade calculator creates a program that calculates the average grade of a student. Prompt the user to enter the number of subjects and then input the grades for each subject. Calculate the average grade and display it to the user. Alright, with this one, I basically used a vector, which is a dynamic array, in order to store the grades and calculate them. So again, here are libraries that I needed, which is the inputs and outputs, and as well as a vector, which is our dynamic array. Then from here, I just defined the variables that I needed. So an int for the subjects, a number of subjects, and then an I for the looping. Then again, uh, the two variables here for the double, so the grades, and then the sum of the grades here. Then a vector with a integer type of double, just in case it's 30.5 as an example. And then when the program first loads, we're going to see out this information. So student grade calculator, and enter the number of subjects, and then the user will have the ability to enter the number of subjects. So if they enter a certain number of subjects, for 5, for example, we're going to keep iterating, and then it's going to ask the user to give the grade of each of those subjects. Then we're going to add those, and then we're going to add those grades together. So after we added all the grades together, we're gonna display all the marks that that the user gave, and as well as calculates the average for each grade for their grade. So since we already have calculated the sum of the grades that they added, here we'll just calculate the average here and then just display it to the user. So if I run the program, let me run the file now, then we'll enter 5 subjects. So if I enter 5, it's going to give me the mark for the first one. So let's say out of 100, I'll say I got 40 for the first subject, 70 for the other one, then 60.5, and then let's say I got 50, then let's say I got 70. So there's my average right there. And that is our average calculator. So let me see if I can run it properly here. Task 7. So let's say I have 3 subjects here. So 30, 45.5, and 60. There, that's task 3, or task 7 done. Our average student grade calculator, or student average calculator, sorry.